In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted spam mail in Gmail. We've all been there. You mistakenly delete an important email thinking it's spam, only to realize later that you actually needed it. No worries, we're going to walk through the process of getting that email back with just a few simple steps. And the best part? It takes less than 5 minutes. To start, you'll need to open Gmail. This can be done on your PC by navigating to gmail.com in your web browser, or by opening the Gmail app on your smartphone or tablet. Once you've got Gmail open, you'll notice there's a sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. This sidebar offers several options, including your inbox, sent mail, and other basic folders. You'll want to scroll down this sidebar until you see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click More, you'll see a drop-down menu that reveals additional folders that are otherwise hidden from view. Among these options is the Trash folder. Go ahead and click on Trash. This is where all your deleted emails live temporarily. They stay here for 30 days before being permanently deleted. So it's a good idea to check this folder regularly if you've accidentally deleted emails in the past. Now that you're in the Trash folder, what you're looking for is that deleted spam email. Scroll through the list of emails until you find the one you're hoping to recover. It will be listed along with the other deleted emails, so take your time to ensure you find the right one. Once you've spotted it, let's proceed to the next step. Next, you'll notice there's a small checkbox next to each email within the Trash folder. Here's where you'll want to focus. Find the checkbox next to the email you want to recover and click it. This will select the email, effectively preparing it to be moved. You may notice that once you check the box, additional options become available, typically at the top of your screen. At this point, you're almost there. With your email selected, look for the option labeled Move To. It's often represented with a folder icon and can be found alongside other action icons in Gmail. Click on Move To, and it will give you a drop-down menu with several choices. The most straightforward option is to click on Inbox, as this will relocate the email back to your primary email space. However, if you have other folders that you've organized your emails into, feel free to select the one that makes most sense for you. And voila! Your email has now been successfully recovered. In just a few steps, you've learned how to recover a deleted spam email on Gmail. Remember, emails in the Trash folder are only saved for 30 days, so make sure to retrieve any important messages quickly. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on managing your digital life.